9 dunkers entered the Dunk Cathedral, and each made a statement with a 90-second mixtape. That man Isaiah Rivera said he was too good to lose.
Yes, indeed.
Well, guess what? He won.
Shout out to the Puerto Rican airbender.
But veterans Jordan Kilgannon and Jonathan Clark are right behind him. I'm ready to give away another 5G. Who want that smoke?
That man Isaiah Rivera.
Night work.
Next up, Jordan Kilgannon. That man Jonathan Clark.
Yo!
Easy money. Connor Barth. Uh-oh. Somebody needs a Red Bull. Second attempt. Easy money. Jordan Sutherland. Easy. Tyler Curry. Hey! Dan Gross. Hey! Anthony Hamilton Jr. Here we go. Oh, and he double pumped. Last but not least, CJ Champion.
Get it, boy. Oh, he on the run up. Hey!
Does that count? Does that count?
No, it does not count. It has to be flush. It has to be flush.